Hello everyone, this is Rahul from Galactic Square. I am a Squarespace expert with 6 years of expertise working with Squarespace since it started. So I know everything about Squarespace, how to use it, and I'm gonna teach you how to use it very easily. So this would be a quick tutorial, and I would be teaching you about the Squarespace backend. So this is only for the novice who are just hiring some developers and are just paying them just for the small things. So this is gonna be a small tutorial. So if we start with Squarespace, well, we can go to Squarespace, how to create an account in Squarespace. This is a tutorial to create an account in Squarespace. So it's pretty easy. Let's start it. So we open squarespace.com. We see the screen coming up. As the screen comes up, there is something called, like, if we click on the hamburger icon, we see a menu bar coming up, and we can just choose any template. So I'll just go to home and click on get started. If we click on get started, we get two options, either to select uh, a, a site, or we can just build a store. Store is basically for selling certain things, so it's totally dependent upon us what we want to choose. So right now I'm just gonna start with a site. So I'll click on choose template. Now it gives a list of some wonderfully created Squarespace templates, which can be like uh, of certain categories. All the categories are defined here, which can be business, portfolio, blogs, musicians, restaurants, wedding, and personal. So I'm gonna go with the best one. I guess I can just go with MarQ. This is the best template, I guess, we have used so far. It's quite friendly. So I'll just start with this design. Now as we click on start with this design, there are two options which comes up. One is use, like, we have to just fill in the information, just sign up, or use an existing account. I don't need to sign up because I already have an existing account, so I'll just use that existing account. So I have the login details. Now as I proceed forward and sign in, it would just load up the template which is being used, and there are certain things which we need to fill in. What is the purpose of the website? So I'm just gonna go ahead with filling those information. It would just pop up once the site is set up. It takes a while, so I'm just gonna, hey, it comes up with welcome to your new Squarespace website. Let's click on start. Now we need to choose a category. As a developer, I basically would recommend you to use professional services or business, because these enable us to use certain developer account. So that I would be discussing in next chapters, coming chapters. So let's click on professional services for now, or business. I'll just click on professional services, and I'll select it as technology. Let's click on next. Now what is the site goals? It would basically be we can select any one of these. It's not a hard and fast rule that we need to select certain site goals, so I can just go with any of these. So I'll just promote my physical business, and I can give it a site title. Site title, which is here, comes basically over here. So my new, well, it's not my new, I'll just go with something else. So Squarespace tutorials. and here it goes. So the site is being set up. You see all the things are being set up. It's pretty easy, and you can just check it in form of design. Now the best thing about Squarespace is it's mobile friendly, and it's responsive. By responsiveness it means like it adjusts to particular screens. If we click on this arrow at the top, we see that there are certain three screens. One is for mobile, one is for iPad, and one is for desktop version. So as you can see that in mobile the screen and the font changes, and it adjusts to the design. So that's the best thing about Squarespace that I love. So this was a short tutorial of how to create an account in Squarespace and how to choose a template. So if you like my video tutorial, please like and subscribe to my video. For getting the codes and other stuff, please navigate to my website, which is galacticsquare.in. Hope I'll just come up with next tutorial soon. Thank you.